I'm doing this review and repair of this MOEN high arc kitchen sink faucet. First, this valve started leaking, and they sent me a free kit seal to replace this. And a month later, the seal here on the faucet neck started leaking. You see that? Right here? It's leaking out of here, out of the nut, faucet nut. And it also caused corrosion, and I can't get this cover, this nut off. So I'm going to have to use a pipe wrench or something to take this off. See it dripping? They gave me a kit to repair this faucet knob. And then they sent me a kit to replace the spout seal. That's great. Why do I want a product that I have to keep repairing myself? Now I'm going to try to get this nut off, this cap. I have to use channel locks or a pipe wrench. I can't take it off. It's too corroded. Got too much corrosion down here. I can't move it. Hopefully I don't ruin it. Moved. That crunching noise was the corrosion breaking loose. Don't seem to have damaged the outside. Now I can take it off. Got a little water in there still. That's why I put that rag down. Okay, I got this spout off. And there's the O-ring and the seal that I got to replace with this little kit. So I get that O-ring off, and this other washer, I guess that's a washer, or a seal, another seal. Now I'm going to get this old O-ring off pretty dried out. Of course, it went flying across the room. Now I get this plastic piece off. It's got a split in it. It's split right here. So when I go back, this plastic ring goes on first. And I got to look at it to make sure this doesn't go on a certain way. I think there's a little flat spot in there. I got to make sure it goes on the right way. I went ahead and cleaned off the corrosion and this, I think it's calcium buildup from hard water off of here and off of here where the rings go. And also cleaned off this bottom pipe coming up. And I got my new seal kit and some grease. I got a retaining ring, plastic retaining ring. A new O-ring. And some other part that probably goes to a different model. I don't need it. I'm going to open this up. It says to put lubricant all over the O-ring. A liberal amount of grease on here. And I'm going to also put some on the threads. Okay, the retaining ring goes on first, and the narrow end goes up first. We'll need two hands for this. Now spread it open. Get it up to the second notch. Oh, and that stops sliding down. Okay, the retaining ring is on. Now I'm going to put the O-ring on. It's slippery. That's slippery, and then the nut keeps moving around. There it is. Now I'm ready to assemble it back together. To put the spout back in there. Pretty tight fit. Get it snug. I gotta turn the water on underneath. Alright, let's see if there's any leaks. No leaks so far. Well, like I said, first this cartridge, the faucet started dripping, and I replaced this cartridge. They sent me the cartridge, and then I replaced the spout seal. They sent me that. Now I'm expecting maybe in another month this valve is going to start leaking too. So what good is it to buy a product and every time you turn around you have to fix it yourself? It's a lot of hassle. For that reason, I give MOEN products a thumbs down.